when you're going out and looking for professionals, make sure you're asking for references. Make sure you're having that detailed brief with you to talk to your potential professionals on your design team. Get written quotes so that you always have something to go back and reference, and you can compare and contrast the quotations and proposals you're getting. We always recommend really strongly that you're going for fixed fees. There are still a lot of architects and design professionals that want a percentage of construction cost. This is variable. So you as a self-builder need to be really sure of what your budget is from the outset. So the more assurance you can get on that, and a practice that has experience with your type of project will be able to get information from you in terms of the brief and the scale and time, the time scales and the budget. Will be able to put together a fixed fee proposal that's based on the number of hours in their experience it will take. This is you, as I said before, you want to make sure that you're working with someone who understands your type of project. We also put together our fee proposals in a way that it's broken down stage by stage. So you're only ever instructing for one stage of works. So that if something happens with your project along the way, it stalls, your circumstances change, this isn't a problem. You can you get through that stage, and then the project goes on hold. And if it needs to be picked up again later, it can be. Likewise, if it's the end of the project or it's moving on to a different set of professionals, that cut is clean.